Respected Honorable Principal Sir, Correspondent Sir, teachers and my dear students. Myself, Apsari Begum, Academic in charge of Titan School. I wish you all Happy Republic Day. Today is a proud and joyful day for all of us as we gather here to celebrate the 77th Republic Day of our India. After getting independence from the British rule in 1947, India did not have its own constitution. So, on August 28, 1947, a draft committee was constituted under the chairmanship of Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar to draft the Constitution of India. The Constitution was written by Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar to draft the Constitution of India. The Constitution was It took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete the Constitution of India. Then the Constitution of India came into force of freedom fighters and visionary leadership of B.R. Ambedkar and other constitution makers who laid the foundation of modern India. This day inspires us to respect the values of justice, liberty, equality and fraternity. वो नजारा याद कर ले, चलो फिर से आज वो नजारा याद कर ले, जो शहीदों के दिल में थी वो ज्वाला याद कर ले, जिसमें बहकर आजादी पहुंची थी किनारे पर, देशभक्तों के खून की वो धारा याद कर ले। इस दिन के लिए वीरों ने अपना खून बहाया है, झूम उठो देशवासियों, आज गणतंत्र दिवस आया है। Republic Day reminds us of our constitution, rights and duties. To present this beautiful message, I invite our senior students to say a few words about our Republic Day.
Celebrating Republic Day. Republic Day celebrated on 26 January. Every year on this day in 1950, the Constitution came into force and India became a democratic country. Our Constitution gave rights and duties. We remember our great leaders and freedom fighters. Republic Day teaches us unity and equality. We should love and respect our country. As students, we must study well and follow rules. Satyamev Jayate, which means truth always wins. Honoring our past, shaping our future. Happy Republic Day to land of dreams and freedom. Proud to be an Indian. Thank you.
Well, myself Ibrahim of 8th standard. Happy Republic Day to one and all. Today I would like to speak about contribution of our freedom fighters and leaders. India's freedom was achieved because great sacrifices made by our brave leaders. Mahatma Gandhi led the nation truth and non-violence. Jawaharlal Nehru helped to build a strong and modern India. Subhash Chandra Bose inspired people with courage and patriotism. Freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Rani Lakshmibai, Bhagat Singh, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and Dr. B.R. Ambedkar played an important role in fighting and uniting our country. Because of great sacrifices, we live in a free nation today. We must remember them and serve them with honesty. Mahatma Gandhi, do or die, karo ya maro, Bhagat Singh, Jai Hind. Victory to India, Subhash Chandra Bose, Inqilab Zindabad. Long live with the revolution. Thank you, Jai Hind.